Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Werner coordination theory. Werner theory for coordination compound. Werner theory for coordination compounds. Now, Werner theory of coordination compound was given by the Alfred Werner by carrying out the experiment on cobalt trichloride and excess of ammonia. Cobalt trichloride when react with excess of ammonia, this experiment is carried out by the scientist Alfred Werner in 18th century, 1887. Now, whatever the experiment carried out by it, then based on this experiment, he suggested that there are two types of valency are present in any compound. That two valency are called as primary valence and secondary valence. But how does this experiment is carried out and what are the primary valence and secondary valence, we will carry it out study one by one in detail. Now, in one test tube, take cobalt chloride solution. One mole of cobalt chloride is taken in test tube A. In that, add excess amount of ammonia. Whatever the ammonia mixture added in that, then whatever the mixture is obtained in that, in this mixture, add silver nitrate AgNO3. On addition of silver nitrate, whenever silver nitrate react with any halide compound, it get converted into AgCl. White color precipitate is separated out at the bottom, and this white precipitate obtained by this reaction is the indicator for the Werner's theory. Here Werner used the term primary valence and secondary valence to represent his experiment. Primary valence and secondary valence term is utilized by him to represent his experiment. Now, in order to understand the experiment, now in the experiment condition 1, whenever cobalt trichloride treated with 4 mole of ammonia, how many 4 mole of ammonia? Only 1 mole of AgCl is precipitate. 1 mole of AgCl is precipitate, and the color of the complex compound obtained over here is found to be green in color. Green in color. But whenever in experiment 2 cobalt chloride is treated with the 5 mole of ammonia, it was observed that 2 mole of AgCl get precipitate on reaction with silver nitrate. This indicates, and the color of this solution is found to be purple in color. Purple in color. When cobalt trichloride is treated with 6 mole of ammonia, it was found that 3 mole of AgCl get precipitate, and the color of this solution is found to be yellow in color. Yellow in color. These three experiments suggest that if cobalt trichloride is treated with 3 mole of ammonia, then no or 0 AgCl is precipitate. AgCl does not precipitate. This experiment also confirmed based on the color of the solution. Based on color of solution and